Today's video, I'm going to program the Homelink and the sun visor in this brand new F-150 King Ranch to this garage door. Now, in your vehicle, up in the sun visor, these new vehicles have this Homelink, 3 buttons that you can program. Now, they recommend that you hold these 2 buttons on the outside for 20 seconds to delete any previously stored codes. Once it blinks to confirm that it's deleted, then you can start programming your new garage doors. For me, I'm going to program my center button to program my garage door. So, holding this at the same time. The LED up there is blinking slowly. Once it goes quick, like it is right there, you're done. Let go of both. You can hit the button right there, check the garage. Should be working, which in my case it is. If you happen to have a garage door where it learns but doesn't sync to the garage door and actually open and close it, there's going to be another step. We're going to have to go back in the vehicle, hold this button, go up to your garage door, hit the learn button while it's doing it, run back, hit this one time. At that point, it'll be completed. That's how that scenario works, but those are really not that hard. I have a garage door like that in another place, but this is a simple method, and that's the way I like it. I gotta say, these new vehicles and the way these Homelinks work are just so awesome, man. There's no pain. There used to be so much pain and trouble doing these things. Like you see right there, there's my garage door, and here's my button. Just boop, hit that. Man, that's easy.